It's Mo again. We back on the vlog, doing some fun stuff today. We're meeting up with our good friend Danny, and we're gonna go see some supercars. Hold on, let me clean this. Hold up. Oof. A lot of people have been asking me what I've been driving lately. It's an Infiniti G25. It's really good on gas. I just wrapped it just for fun. Here it is. Danny just pulled up in the Ghost. Perfect timing. We are going to take the ACR. He's gonna probably take the R8. Let me welcome you guys to Tyler.
Hey, what's going on, boys?
What are we doing today?
Hey, we're going on like a little cruise type rally type.
All right.
I don't know, but we're mobbing out.
All right. We got Pacman. Let me see the kicks. We got the OG Prestos on. The Viper's back there. Right, we're gonna jump on the road. We're gonna go meet up with the cars out in San Francisco. Join us for the ride. Let's go. Got the R8. All right, guys, we just got to the San Francisco.
I can show you how to fit an M in a duffel.
Hey, my bad. Beautiful San Francisco day. Right here on the Bay Bridge with this Dodge Viper ACR. It doesn't get really much better than this. This T-car guy, M3s, yes. Hey. In the tunnel. Whoa! It's that American V10 right there. 8.4 liter. All right, we're almost there, promise. Remember what I said, it's not a car vlog without a gas station. ACR thirsty, we've been hauling ass.
Got it back.
Yeah.
We are doggy.
Yeah,
You can't drive.
You can't drive.
This an Asian can drive.
Hey, too slow. Hey, D can drive better than you today. Hey. Fuck, I guess. Dude, this shit, oh my God. Why did this overfill?
Oh, what happened?
Hey Mo, you might don't want to start the car, put it in neutral and roll in first.
Really?
Because you know,
What did you do?
might cost a fire here.
You broke the gas tank? What's wrong?
Bro.
Damn Mo, that's how he does it, man. He does a spider web on them girls. What did you do, Mo, man?
Bro.
What the hell? So I told him
Sorry,
neutral
bro.
first.
I got the wide body Huracan, another Huracan over there, Z06 and like satin teal. Alrighty guys, we got a few supercars joining us today. Starting off with this red ACR, the one I'm driving. Shouts to Danny. This is his RWS R8. That's him in the wide body Huracan right over here. All wrapped, wide body Liberty Walk. 720S with us today, as well as a couple. Stuff going on, guys, out here. Sorry if the camera's a bit shaky. It's kind of hard doing the manual, the whole thing. I'm doing a lot right now. We'll go to the game. Loving the 720S. Every time it hits the brake, that big spoiler goes up to slow it down, man. What a scene. What a scene to see all these cars in motion. I just get all hyped up every time I see something. Woohoo! Man, I heard those twin turbos from back here. Oh, that sounded right. Hey, Pacman! Just made our first stop of the drive. Let me show y'all some cars. I need Vader to kick in some dope music and enjoy. Guys, it really doesn't get much better than this. Bunch of supercars and muscle as well. Just had some nice late lunch, I guess. Ending our night over here, everybody's all going home. It was just a little short trip. 720. Congrats to Joe on here if you guys want to check out his Instagram. I don't know, that font is kind of fucked up, I know, but That's his IG. Thank you for joining the vlog. We'll see y'all in the next one. Later.